The 2004 Chevy Silverado pickup. It hit another deer, like many of them have been lately. The truck needs a new bumper assembly, and it is a rare occasion, but we did try an aftermarket upper bumper cover, which is this piece that the insurance company requested we use. This cover is about $20 cheaper than the original one from General Motors. But you know, now and then we'll try some of these parts, and like it happens most of the time, this one failed to clip on the way it's supposed to. You can see it's way too short right there, and over here the cover actually broke going on because it obviously was not made to the same specifications that the GM one is. So we stopped repairs after about 45 minutes of wasting time on this one, and we got a GM one coming, and we'll install that, and hopefully this gentleman will get his truck back this afternoon.